Where are we going, Andy? Mars, I guess. We'll see. Crash spaceship, lots of noises. What could go wrong? All right. It's a very cool setup here. It's a little cooler at night, I think, but it's very attractive looking. All right. Moving in. Looks like we're in a...
Get to the core!
Man, we're started here already. Yikes. All right. It's a loud house. All right. Hi. Nice to meet you.
They're totally through the walls! Run!
Well, I'm not going to run.
No!
Jeez. I feel like I'm missing some stuff. All right. That's very cool. I actually really like the aesthetic of this house.
They broke the seal from the inside!
Oh, it's like alien, people jumping out of these cages at me. Yeah, alright. Oof. Okay, yeah, move forward. Alright, lady with the gun. Be quiet, be quiet. Oh, the monster right there. You good?
You have to go! Go! Run!
Oh, that's a good looking monster. Okay. Oh, I like this room. It's fun. I mean, hi. Oh, this is cool. I like the wind effect in here. Like I'm being blown out the window. A lot of critters here. Cool sight. Ooh, terrifying. I think we're good. We're feeling good. Oh, bodies hanging from the ceiling. You like that? All right. Move forward. Everything's fine here. Nothing to be afraid of. Hi. How you doing? Jesus. All right. Yep. All right.
You have to get out while you can!
Bye, all right. Yeah, all right. All right, don't touch things. Definitely don't touch things. Oh, very good looking house though. Wow. Hi. All right. I'm going. All right. Okay. Oh.
Get out of here!
Yeah, I will. I do like the jumpy people there. I did. I think so.
Just bend down for me?
Yeah, of course.
Nice voyage in outer space.
Throw your hands up.
Little, I wouldn't recommend take this shit. I mean, it's falling apart.